Hey guys, what's up? Today, another video here on the No Brain Motorsport channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to show you here. It's the internal accessories, the internal aesthetic part that we did here in the car. Everything that's an accessory, I'm going to show you in detail so you can see everything we've changed here on the inside of the car. So you can get to know it, see all the options, accessories that don't come with the car that we can install. So let's get started. Well, I'll get in the car. I'll show you here. Let me just put this bag here at the back and let's go. Well, now we're here in the interior of the car. The first accessory here that we placed was the carbon fiber console. Okay, this console here is very cool. It comes here written with the OS line, but it also comes without the line. It already comes with the cutout here for the button to increase and decrease the volume and change the song. For those who don't know this button, you can push it to the right or left and change the song. A lot of people don't know this. We also have this console here made of carbon fiber with a hole here for cars that have the presence key system to be able to turn the car on and off. Okay, the finish is really cool. We installed the auto hold button here. For those who don't know, I'm going to make a separate video just for this auto hold button. We have this button here for sale. We have a single unit, so whoever wants and is interested in our Noble Motorsport Instagram, call me there and I'll give you the price of the button. Besides that, here, in addition to this part, we changed the side moldings here of the 4 doors with lights. I'm going to connect them here so you can take a look. Let's go. Here we have the side trims with lighting. We have the 4 doors, these trims here. One of the cool things we have on it is you can increase and decrease the intensity of the light on the panel. We can also increase and decrease the intensity here of these LEDs that we have here. It's a whole new bar, so you will remove the original and put this one in its place. So you can keep the originals at home so that on the day you sell the car, you can remove it. And here in the corner, as you can see, it has this little selector. Oh, so when we change here, oh, let's see, wait, then it changes the color. You can change the color of each door separately from each other. I'll leave the colors scrolling here so you can see what they are, the colors we have available here. We have practically really all the colors. They are RGB LEDs. And one of the cool things that we can make stronger, weaker, select a single color or let it change is the colors directly. When you want to choose the color, you push it to the side here, it will lock in this color. I use red more, it's its color, and the light is very strong, so red is the darkest color. Let's say, so I can use it at night in this color. The other colors are very strong, so we have to I came here to the little selector and reduced the intensity of the light. Another accessory that is one of the first that I think people put most on the Audi A3 is the issue of the pedals. Okay, these ones here are made of stainless steel, original Audi style. I'll show you here. The pedals have an accelerator pedal, brake pedal, and footrest. These pedals are very beautiful here. Another accessory that people usually like to add is the cell phone holder. Okay, I put the support here. It is attached behind the air vents, so you need to remove the 2 air vents to be able to put this support, but it is very fixed. There is no way for it to come out of here because we know that the air vents of the Audi A3 are very bad for placing any support that is attached here to the outlet because it keeps falling down. This is something bad about the Audi because the air outlet does not allow you to properly place any type of support due to this design. So one of the only ones that works well in the car is this one. One of the other things that I took out of my car, but I had that is really cool, is the CarPlay. You can have the system directly on the screen, play videos, watch Netflix, YouTube, and anything else. There's also Spotify. Anything you touch on the screen, you would be able to touch directly here. So there wasn't any need for you to hold your mobile in your hand. Here you could select everything on the screen. I stopped selling CarPlay for the moment because of its cost. You know, the dollar is very expensive, so it increased quite a bit. So it became something not advantageous for people to buy and install in the car. It ended up being unfeasible. However, in the future, as the dollar declines, we can bring back the first CarPlay games that we tested in this car. It was only via cable, so you had to connect the cable to the mobile to make it work. It's transferring data from the mobile to the screen. Nowadays, we already have the most up-to-date CarPlays, which are via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, so there's no need to have it via cable. When you connect via cable, in addition to charging the mobile, you transfer the data. But if you don't want to connect the mobile via cable, you can have everything, Spotify, Netflix, everything directly on the screen running originally without any problem. CarPlay is a very good device. Unfortunately, I stopped selling it for a while due to the rise in the dollar, which made the price unfeasible for resale. People started getting scared by the high price, which was due to the dollar, so I paused for the moment, but we're going back to business as soon as the price really drops again, right? With CarPlay, I'm going to make the next video here on the channel talking about all the VCD activations that we have for the Audi A3 from 2013 to 2020. There are some differences between the 1.4, 1.8, and 2.0 model and the 2017 models and activations, but you will still be made aware of all this, okay? I'm going to mention a few things that are only for the newer models in VCD activations. We offer a VCDS course for both the Audi A3 and the complete Volkswagen line here on the channel. So if anyone's interested in learning how to do the activations, the first links here in the description are for all our courses. Basically, in the internal area of the car, the aesthetic modification we did was the removal of CarPlay and the mobile holder, which is something we have for sale here on the channel. We're going to have a video solely about the mobile holder for you. The carbon fiber console, the stainless steel pedals, these are also the trims with LED. The LED equipped ones will be the next items to arrive for us to sell to you. It's also the auto ride button. A lot of people don't know what it is. I'm going to make a separate video explaining what this button's purpose, because a lot of people confuse the auto ride button with the parking button. A lot of people also confuse what the auto hold does with the system that we have original from the factory when we stop on the uphill or downhill. So guys, basically that's what we have here in terms of accessories installed inside the car. There are a lot of cool things. There are some accessories that I don't have because of my own taste that I didn't want to put on the shift pedals when changing gears on the steering wheel. Add those extenders. I don't like them very much. I think they're too big. If I were to change them, I would change them to the RS ones, as they only have a brushed steel edge, which I think is very nice, very cool, but those big ones are not my style. But it's something that could be replaced. Another accessory that you can put on this car is the steering wheel from the RS3 or TTRs. And another cool thing that we intend to put in the future, when the dollar drops to $5, we can find something cool for install. Show installation, really show what is possible to do, is swap the analog panel for the digital panel. Okay, guys? So basically, that's what we have here in the interior of the car. Accessories, it's quite a cool thing for you. Lots of content. It's great that you know all of this. We're going to have more videos here on the channel. All right, guys, if you liked the video, like it, share it, comment below to let us know which accessory you liked most about this car. Which accessory do you already have in your car, and which one do you intend to put in your car, okay? That's it, guys. A big hug to everyone. Thank you for staying here until the end of the video. And of course, if you stayed until the end of the video, leave your like and leave your comment here to help us, all right? Hugs, everyone.